Sickle cell basically is an abnormality of a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein that makes your blood and mind look red. And this protein has a specialized function. Its function is to carry oxygen from the air sacs in your lungs and to carry them to the tissues and organs to maintain viability. So this protein is specialized in delivering oxygen, which you can say is the fuel, is the gas that your cells need to be able to function. In sickle cell, there's something wrong with the protein. Instead of the protein staying as isolated units, they stick together. And when they stick together, they precipitate in the red cell, which normally should look the shape of a donut. But then it attains a sickle shape. So sickle cell, although it's a single protein abnormality, affects virtually every organ in the body, from the brain to the lung, to the heart, to the kidneys, to the bones, name it. Every organ in the body is affected because oxygen is needed by every tissue in the body. So this is the devastating consequence of sickle cell disease.
Each human being has two shapes of genes regarding their blood cells. These genes could be AA, which is normal shaped in one category of children. Genes could also be AS or AC, which are referred to as having the sickle cell trait. A is normal, but S and C are sickle shaped in a second category of children. Genes could also be FC or SS, and these are full-blown and sickle cell shaped in a third category of children. A child takes one gene from each parent. Marriage combinations likely to produce an SS, or a full-blown sickle cell child, or AS and AS, AS and SS, as well as SS and SS.
Sickle cell anemia has caused me many physical pains as well as social pains. I've suffered from severe acute chest syndrome, which has caused me to spend many days in hospital and miss many important days of school.
Let us do all we can do to prevent sickle cell anemia.
I have been excluded often from sports that I love, football, basketball, even lacrosse at times, because I could not keep up, or I was told by a physician not to be too active.
The prevention lies in your hands.
The key to preventing sickle cell anemia is education. Ask your family physician about genotype testing.
The future of our next generation is in our hands.
It's free and it is your right.
What are you going to do about it?